Are you struggling to get results with Facebook and Instagram ads? Spending money but not seeing sales? You're not alone. Most business owners waste thousands of dollars on ads that don't convert. But what if you could have a professional Facebook ads manager handle everything for you? So you can focus on running your business? The truth is, running Facebook ads without the right knowledge is like burning cash. Business owners struggle with low conversions, expensive ad costs, and zero ROI. You've tried tweaking ad settings. You've followed YouTube tutorials. Yet your ads are still failing. Sound familiar? Imagine losing thousands of dollars without a single customer. This is where professional Facebook ads managers come in. Meet Panos, a top-rated Fiverr seller with years of experience in running high-converting campaigns.
Hi, and welcome to my gig here on Fiverr.com. If you are looking for help with your Facebook, Instagram, Google, or TikTok ads, you've came to the right place. I have nearly a decade of experience within the digital marketing world, but rather than talking about myself, I would like my clients speak for me. Hear what some of them have to say.
Hi, this is Elena.
Hi everyone.
Hey there.
Hi.
Hi there.
Hi y'all.
Hello, my name is Trinita.
I'm just here to give a review about Panos.
Panos.
I wanted to say a special thank you for the success I have and continue to grow.
He has helped me optimize and set up my Facebook and Instagram ads. I completely recommend him.
He's even helped us with our creative strategies and really being a close part of our team. I highly recommend him.
Not only did he get it all set up, but he took the time out to explain to me what exactly he did and how I can continue on forward. I would recommend Panos a million times, and I can't wait to work with him again.
The strategies recommended by Panos and implemented by Panos, the sales skyrocket. So I really recommend Panos.
Massive thank you for all your hard work.
Business owners who hired an expert saw massive improvements. Lower ad costs, better engagement, and higher conversions.
Hi Joe, hope you are doing well. This is a quick update on where we're standing with the campaigns. So the brand awareness campaign is almost ready. This is the objective that we have, which is the brand awareness as we discussed. Then we have choose the location that I shared with you, which is in Arizona, and it's using 40 miles. So just have a look and let me know if that's correct. In terms of age, we need to start from 21 and above, since we need to be within the terms of services. I don't think we need any limitation in the gender. Then on the target, we are very lucky because we actually have people who are interested in beer festivals, so we are very accurate in terms of the targeting. Then I have choose specific audiences, placement story, and then all the graphic designs that you shared me, which is all of this. And if we click on this one, for example, we will see that we have the three primary texts that I shared with you, and you gave me some revisions, and we're sending users, of course, to your landing page. So this is it with the brand awareness. Everything is ready. We can move to the phase 2 and start working on the lead campaigns this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.
Support teens in your neighborhood with Job for Teens, the app connecting local teens with jobs. Help them gain valuable experience and build their future while getting tasks done. Post detailed jobs with photos and prices. Choose the right team for the job based on skills and ratings. Empower the next generation by providing them opportunities to learn and grow. Download Job for Teens today and make a positive impact in your community.
Don't waste another dollar on failing ads. Click the link in the description and hire an expert today.